Who is she filming a freaking YouTube video? What is up? Welcome back to the channel. I know I have not filmed in literally a year now, or uploaded in a year. Whatever, it's fine. Let's move past it. Let's move on. Let's get on with our lives. As you can see by the title, I am reviewing a type of menstrual cup. This is just me giving you my opinion on the product so that you can make an informed decision. I am not sponsored, hashtag not ad. Yeah, here it is. A menstrual cup review. I haven't opened it yet. I'll open it on camera. But just before we get into all that, I wanted to say that I've been using the menstrual cup for 2 years, 1.5 2 years, something like that. And I really like it. I'm trying to get all my friends also to use it, because it definitely, yes, it helps the environment. It's there's so much waste with pads and tampons, it's crazy. But also it's so easy. The pros are just so many. You can use it for 12 hours at a time. You don't have to change a pad fucking 40 times a day. It reduces cramps in some people's cases. It has in mine. I don't get as bad period cramps. The cup overall has just it changed my life for the better. The older one that I used, I don't remember what brand it is. My mom just gave it to me. So and the silicone is a little hard. There's nothing wrong with it. I've been using it for 1.5 years. It's worked perfectly fine. But I just wanted to try a new one, These do last really long. If you take care of them well, they last 5, some last 10 years, okay? So just and one menstrual cup costs $400, and now compare that with buying pads and tampons every month for 5 years. It's cost effective also. It helps the environment, just everything. It's all in all a really good investment. I don't mean money wise, I even mean time wise, and getting to know how to use it and stuff. So I'll get more into that later. Now let's just first open it up. So I ordered from this brand called Sanfe. I saw a lot of ads for them on Instagram and stuff. They kept coming up in my sponsored posts and things like that. And I know there are other ones also, quite a few of them. There's loads now, if you actually do some research. But I saw some good reviews about this brand and all, and I wanted to try something new. And the other thing is, I was looking for a review of this brand on YouTube and I didn't find any, which is why I am here trying to give you a review on this. So if anybody's looking for it, they can find it. That's cute. It comes in a box. I ordered this set of 3 products. It was a 3-in-1 kind of thing. So there's this lavender and chamomile intimate wash, the menstrual cup itself. How cute is the packaging? Cramp relief roll-on thing. So this is the wash. It's the look at how oh my god, why do I literally match all the packaging? Anyway, so this is, self-explanatory. It's an intimate wash. Oh, it smells good. Yeah, this is just for overall cleanliness, hygiene, good stuff. Then you've got this cramp relief roll-on. Looks like that. They said that one bottle will last you 10 periods or 12 periods, something like that. But yeah, so it's just a roll-on, a roll-on deo. Roll all over your stomach. And oh, it smells. I wish you had smell-o-vision right now. So this is the menstrual cup. Comes in like that. Open it. So tight. Okay. Wow. Of course, as usual, they all come in a little bag like this. It's got instructions. Don't need her. Can you see? It's like a baby pink. Just wait. Let me. There. It's a baby pink kind of bag. I got a bright pink one. I thought they were gonna send me a clear one. Oh, that's cute. Pink as hell. Look. Oh, cute. This is a menstrual cup. boys clicking off my video right now. It's okay, ladies. This is a medium, by the way. Large is for people who have given birth already. I obviously have not, so this is a medium. So now, anyone who's like new to menstrual cups doesn't really know much about it. This goes inside you. It's not as intimidating, okay? It's not for size reference. So there is a couple ways you can insert it. One is, I think this is called a C-fold. So you fold it like that, and then let's say this is your hole. You put it into the hole like that, and then it'll pop open inside of you, and it just sits there. It's not, you're not gonna get it perfectly in your first couple of tries. It does take, I would say, 1 period cycle to like get used to it, figure out what position you're sitting in works for you best, which fold. So that was one fold. The other fold is this one where you push it in like this. This goes in and then opens up. I personally use, I don't know if it's TMI, but I personally use this one. I like it, was the easiest. So off the top of my head, I know there are these 2 folds. You can look up a lot more about menstrual cups in general. I'll even link some down below, some informative videos. Yeah, so that's it. That's for the product itself. In general, anything else to do with menstrual cups and all? Oh yeah, but every time you use it, you're supposed to boil it for 10 to 15 minutes, like boiling water. Dunk it in. This is made of silicone, by the way. Dunk it in for 10-15 minutes, let it boil, get rid of all the germs. Every time you take it out to like dump out the blood, just rinse it. Some women like to do it with soap, some women like just boil with water. I'm thinking of trying this one, the intimate wash. Dump it out, clean it, back it goes. Once you're done at the end of your period, again take it out, wash it with soap thoroughly, back in the bag. And then when you take it out for your next period, you boil it. So you boil it before, like at the start of your period, before it goes into you. Kill all the bacteria, germs, whatever, corona. Coming back to like the pros of it, you can have a shower, you can swim. A lot of women say that once it's in, you forget like that you even are on your period, because there's no blood coming out, nothing. It just all collects perfectly inside of this. I personally have forgotten that I am on my period. That's how good it is. Like, I highly recommend. Please, like, changes your life. No, you cannot like poop too hard and it'll fall out. You have to manually like take it out. It won't just like come out. So don't worry if you like going to take a shit and it'll fall out. It doesn't fall out. Then once it's in, to take it out, you have to get up in there a little bit and like figure out yourself. But it's a natural process. Like, there's nothing to be all icky about. I don't know if you can see up close, but can you see that? Yeah, see this hole? I think, yeah, there's 4, like on 4 points. When it's inside, you have, let's say it's like this, you have to put your hand inside, pinch it like this. These holes will release the air, so you like release the vacuum, and then you pull it out and dump and clean. While pulling it out, because there is blood and everything already, there's enough like lubrication. It comes out pretty easily. You don't have to worry about that. While putting it in also, like some women like to use lube for putting it in, but again, I didn't like that. It just got too messy. It was too slippy, slidey. Like, just this itself is perfectly fine. You won't have any issues. There's a lot of ways you can put it in. You can sit on the toilet, you can squat in the shower, you can one leg on the floor, one leg up on the sink. There's quite a few ways. Like, just figure out what works for you. So far this feels much better. Like, it's the other one that I have right now is quite hard. Like, it doesn't feel as nice also. Like, the quality of this feels much better. Plus, I just love the color so much. Yeah, that's about it. I am 4 days away from turning 22. I will see you in my next video, whatever that is. Thank you for watching. And yeah, any questions, anything you have, please leave them in the comments or DM me on Instagram. I will answer all your questions. And yeah, that's it. See you in the next one. Bye.